don't wanna be like that. I don't wanna be like that. Who I am, I try to do the same things. I don't wanna be like that. I don't wanna be like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to grow your wardrobe, how to triple your wardrobe for free. So I'm going to make 11 outfits from 7 clothing items. This is just to show you guys if you want to be a fashionista or Insta influencer, you actually do not need a huge wardrobe. You just need a few clothing items and you can style them in so many different ways. So without any more talking, let's get into the video.
So yes, for my first outfit, I'm wearing this loose basic white t-shirt with this denim. You can simply like put it out, or you can tuck in, or you can just like make a knot with this one. It actually goes, you know, you can just do it so many different ways, and yeah, you're ready to go. So for my next outfit, I'm wearing the same plain basic white t-shirt with the same black clutch and same footwear and same sunglasses. I'm wearing this polka dot palazzo. So yes, if you want to be like I am, like wearing a casual outfit but I'm still rocking it and, you know, looking like a total fashionista, you can just do it and you're ready to go. So for my third outfit, I am wearing this long and very loose kurta. You can just wear it with a blue denim jeans, and I'm going to style this kurta in 3 different ways. First, I'm wearing it as a kurta and simply wearing it with a denim jeans. Now I'm wearing that kurta as a t-shirt dress. Now to give my kurta a different look, I've added this brown crochet belt to it, and yep, you're ready to go. So for my fifth outfit, I'm wearing that same white plain basic t-shirt with that same belt and same clutch. I'm wearing a black side slit skirt with this one, and I'm adding a silver jewelry to it. And yeah, it looks really good, you know, for a lunch date. So now for my sixth outfit, I'm wearing a t-shirt dress with a blue denim jeans, and I'm wearing the same sunglasses. Now I'm using that same sling bag as a handbag. So this outfit is perfect for school, for college, or hanging out with your girlfriends. So for my seventh outfit, I'm wearing that same long kurti as a shirt. I tucked in the kurti. It looks like you're wearing a shirt, you know, a bit oversized shirt. So for my eighth outfit, I'm wearing that gray t-shirt dress and that polka dots palazzo. And I tucked in the whole t-shirt. You know, if you're going for a shopping, or you're just going for a lunch date, or you're going to hang out with your friends or college, like anything, you can just work it out. So for my ninth outfit, so I am wearing this shirt with a denim jeans, and I'm actually wearing that same black side slit skirt as an inner right now. And you know, I just tucked in the whole skirt in the jeans, and I'm wearing this shirt. So yep, you can do it like this, or you can just wear it simply as a shirt. So yeah, you can just like make a knot and, you know, rock the outfit. So now for my last outfit, I'm going to use this same t-shirt as a t-shirt dress now, because you know, this is basically a t-shirt dress. So I'm going to do that.
So yeah, I hope you guys like this little informative video. If you do, then subscribe my channel, like this video, and make sure to comment down below and tell me which outfit was your favorite. Till then, bye!